Happy Kids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happy Kids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh beach ball. What's your favorite thing to do on the beach? Is it play with a beach ball, go swimming, make sand castles? I'll let you know my favorite thing to do on the beach a little bit later. But first, here's what you need to get started. You need red, white, blue, and yellow Play-Doh. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with the base of our beach ball, which will be blue. Now it's time to add the stripes on the beach ball, which will be red and yellow. Great. Now just to finish it off, we're going to add a little bit of white at each end. Beach ball. Remember earlier when I asked you what your favorite thing was to do at the beach? Well, here's mine. My favorite thing to do at the beach is go swimming. I like to go swimming because it's like a whole new world in the ocean. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happy Kids. See you later. Catch!
To watch more videos, please subscribe.